Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance. I see you, sis. The music is Seaside. The artist is KHRUANGBIN and Leon Bridges. The choreography is Chris Blues. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. You can go to our website and book your room right now. Registration opens June 1st of this year, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go.
So good to be here with you. Somebody's gonna fall in love tonight, and I hope we make sweet love tonight. God gave you just for me. We made so long for one, like you make me feel so right. You shine, see people, oh this moment so neat, man and lady, coming our way. You're the best in me, so good, shorty. Somebody's gonna fall in love tonight. Let's use ourselves in this second night tonight. God gave you heavens just for me, just for me. We made so long for one, like you make me feel so right. God gave you heavens just for me, just for me. We made so long for one, like you make me feel so right.
That's I-C-U, SIS. Make sure you check out the instructional. Also check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website to book your room and for registration that opens June 1st of this year, www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.